The Glories of Mary by St. Alphonsus Liguori. Petition of the Author to Jesus and Mary. My most loving Redeemer and Lord Jesus Christ, I, thy poor servant, knowing how pleasing to thee are those who seek to glorify thy most holy Mother, whom thou lovest so much, and dost so much desire to see loved and honored by all men, I propose to publish this book of mine which treats of her glories. I know not to whom I could commend it but to thee, who hast so much at heart the glory of this Mother. To thee, then, I present and dedicate it. Receive this little offering of my love for thee and thy beloved Mother. Take it under thy protection, and pour into the hearts of those who read it the light of confidence in this Immaculate Virgin, and the warmth of a burning love for her, in whom thou hast placed the hope and refuge of all the redeemed. And for the reward of this my poor effort, give me, I pray thee, that love for Mary with which I have desired to inflame, by this my little work, the hearts of all those who read it. To thee also I appeal, O my sweetest Lady and Mother Mary. Thou knowest that in thee, next to Jesus, I have placed all hope of my eternal salvation, since all the good I have received, my conversion, my vocation to leave the world, and whatever other graces have been given me by God, I acknowledge them as coming through thee. Thou knowest that to see thee loved by all as thou dost deserve, and to offer thee some token of gratitude, I have always sought to proclaim thee everywhere, in public and in private, and to inspire all men with a sweet and salutary devotion to thee. I hope to continue to do so for the remainder of my life, even to my last breath. But I see by my advanced age and declining health that the end of my pilgrimage and my entrance into eternity are drawing near. Therefore I hope to give to the world, before my death, this little book of mine, which may continue to proclaim thee for me, and also may excite others to publish thy glories and the great mercy which thou dost exercise towards thy devoted servants. I hope, my most beloved Queen, that this my poor offering, though it falls so far short of thy merit, may be pleasing to thy grateful heart, since it is wholly a gift of love. Extend then that most kind hand of thine with which thou hast delivered me from the world and from hell, and accept it and protect it as belonging to thee. But I ask this reward for my little offering, that henceforth I may love thee more, and that all into those hands this work shall fall, may be inflamed with thy love, so that immediately their desire may increase to love thee, and see others love thee also, and that they may engage with all ardor in proclaiming and promoting, as far as possible, thy praise, and confidence in thy most holy intercession. Thus I hope, thus may it be.